Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can close your account on Revolut. So what you want to do is go left top corner to the profile, and now you just want to scroll down below, just scroll down below, and right next to logout you're going to see close account, right? And it's free to keep another account, and opening a new one could take some time if you cancel. And here you just click close account, and you just click on it, and this is how you close it, right? You'll not be able to use cards. I'm fine with this, and then you just cancel it, and this is pretty much it. Of course, I'm not going to cancel mine only because like I invest through the account, right? And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and if you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.